Premyo ko eh. Okay.
Ayun, circle eh.
Ang winners dito ha, umatikabong ano. Sige. Ganito lang po kasimple. Pagka ipapasa po natin yung ating plastic jar. Okay, papasa. Ngayon, kung kanino, pag huminto ang tuktok, kung nakanino siya, kumuha siya ng isa. Babasahin niya. At kung ano ang sinasabi ng nabinasa niya, siya ang out. Ulitin ko. Pag hinto ng tuktok, kung nakanino yung jar, bubunod siya ng isa. May nakasulat.
Pangalan.
Kung anong sinasabi ng nabunod niya, kung sino yun, siya ang out. Yun. So, pwede siya, kung ano nakasulat doon. Okay, ready? Ready. Dapat po tayo. Secret. Okay, let's pass the jar, the small jar of our right. So, may stop music tayo. Okay?
Iikot
Sige.
yung mahal pa ikot.
Baka sakaling bumaba yung kinain, kakain tayo ulit. Meron pa ba? Wala na. Tama pa ba yan?
Daw yan, sponsored by Kano Game. Ada game by Wonder. Wow.
Hello, yun.
Nagkapi na sa'yo ba ito? Ay, sa'yo ito yung fitness. Left, right. Ops! Kuya, bunot. Sige po, basahin natin.
The one on your left is
The one on your left is out. Music. Ops! Talagang gusto dito, no?
Delikado si Bong.
the third one on your left is out.
The third one on your left is out. Okay, music. Go. Ayaw gumanap din ni Nervyo.
Ako dawan ang left.
Wala kayong prize dito, ha? Sige. Look at everyone. Name the pretty one. Name the pretty one. Pretty one. Sino? Ate?
Yan, yan.
Ate yan! Sorry, you're out!
Ang wigla ka na.
Sayang yung premyo ko.
Yusi. Kuya, parang pasigyan natin dito sa side ko, ha? Bunot? Sige po, bunot. Hindi, ikaw po, ikaw po. Huwag na mag-alala. Sige po.
Hindi ka ma-out.
Name a very dear friend. Dito. Very dear to you. Very dear to you.
Dear friend.
Very dear to you. Music, go! Okay, bunot. Smile, you're out. Music. Okay, bunot.
Ikaw na naman.
Sorry, you're out. Music. Yung may iwan dito, actually. Marami tayong iwan. Up. Sorry, you're out. Music. Ayan na si Kit. The second from your right is out. Ups, bunot. Bunot. Okay, wala yan.
Dapat nasa gitna yan eh.
Sorry, you're out.
Eh, kaso may hilo na. May hilo siya. Oh,
Okay.
hold.
Sorry.
Wala yung hindi nakatiklop lang.
Nakatiklop. Sorry, gadan. Sorry, you win. Congratulations, you win.
The one on your right is out.
Music. Yan. Dapat na may iiwan. Winner. Sige, bunot po.
The one in front of you.
It's out.
The one in front of you is out.
Oh, compress. Play.
Ang kulit din nila po. Ang kulit din nila po.
The youngest is out.
Nandito din. Right in front of Belen. Patay ka dyan.
Hindi, meron pa. The tallest is out. Okay, dali lang po. Music! The second from the right is out. Okay. Okay.
The one in front is out.
The one.
Ang dadamay.
Ready, music. Last three. Tignan natin kung sino yung tatlong matatanggal. The rest are all winners. Last three. Sige po. Yung maiiwan winners lahat yun.
Gawanin nyo ka lang.
Name the pretty one. Name the pretty one. You're out. Okay, two more.
Huwag yung sa left mo, ah.
Ano po yun? Nakasulat.
Dear friend, wala naman dito man.
Name! Dapat may iwan dito.
Nakaupo.
That's a different one. Name a very dear friend. Dapat yung may iwan dito. Wala na dito.
Wala ka yung dear friend niya eh.
You are out.
Ah!
Go, music, last one. Sino yan?
Last one na yun, eh.
Last one na yan. Dapat Ian Sorry, you're out.
Last one na ba yan?
Last one na yan eh. Tapos the rest are winners.
Oy.
Sorry, you're out. Okay, sino po kayo dito? Sino po yung mga naiwan? Bibigyan ng prize? Tita Lita, bigyan po natin sila ng prize. Glory. Pina po tayo dito. Pina. Yan. Magbibigay ng prize.
Ay, kita Lynn. Yes, yes.
Thank you sa ating sponsors. Thank you very much.
Ang down to 20. Ilan daw?
Malapit na kayo.
40.
Get your prize! Pamasahe papunta pabalik the Robinson.
Sige, thank you po.
Thank you. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Oh, marami ang marami kayo ng prize. Marami yan. Ano na yan sa example?